caretaker Federal Minister for National Heritage and Culture Jamal Shah, and Ambassador of Islamic Republic of Iran to Pakistan, His Excellency Dr. Reza Amiri Moghadam, on Friday inaugurated a 3-day poster exhibition with theme Palestine. Operation Resistance Victory here at Look-Wirsat Gallery. The exhibition was organized by Culture Consulate Embassy of the Islamic Republic of Iran in collaboration with National Institute of Folk and Traditional Heritage Look-Wirsat. Ambassador of Syria to Pakistan H.E. Ramiz Al-Rai, H.E. Mr. Ehsan Kazai, the Cultural Consular Embassy of Iran, Advisor National Heritage and Culture Division Muhammad Kashif Arshad, Executive Director Look-Wirsat Muhammad Uzair Khan were also present on the occasion. Addressing the inauguration ceremony of exhibition, Minister for National Heritage and Culture Jamal Shah said the Palestinians are valiant people and they will succeed in their legitimate struggle for right to self-determination. He said responsibility rests with the world community and the United Nations to play their role in getting stopped the Israel atrocities against Palestinians. The Minister for National Heritage regretted that the cowardly Israel is targeting armless Palestinians and their schools and hospitals. He said Israel forces are not even sparing the children. He said we feel the pain and agony of Palestine's people. Pakistan and Iran supporting the Palestinian cause, we express our solidarity to oppress the people of Gaza, he said. He said that Pakistan doesn't recognize the state of Israel and has repeatedly called for an independent Palestinian state based on internationally agreed parameters. H.E. Dr. Reza Amiri Moghadam, Ambassador of the Islamic Republic of Iran to Pakistan, expressed his condolence to the Palestinian nation for the martyrdom of more than 10,000 innocent men, women, and children. I would like to appreciate the government of Pakistan for the strong positions taken by the high official and different authorities, scholars, and other walk of life for supporting the innocent people of Palestine and against the atrocities and genocide committed by the Zionist and fascist regime of Israel, he added. He said that the fact is that the Zionist regime broke its own record of barbarism, war crimes, and genocide. H.E. Dr. Reza Amiri Moghadam said that the crimes which are committed by the Zionist regime against the civilian from men, women, and children of Gaza is shocking, along with the deafening silence of the Westerns. He said that one of the duties of the Muslims world and all the free thinkers around the world should be focused to show to the people of the world what's really happening in Palestine and Gaza. He said that in the current status quo, the Muslim world should take meaningful and tangible measures in order to first guarantee ceasefire, opening a humanitarian corridor to Gaza, then get united to exercise due leverages against Zionist regime, and then guarantee the right to defense and the right of self-determination for the original people of Palestine through a free election. He thanked the organizer of this exhibition, the participants, and all those who somehow contributed in holding this event. Ambassador of Syria to Pakistan H.E. Ramiz Al-Rai, H.E. Mr. Ehsan Kazai, the Cultural Consular Embassy of Iran, and Executive Director Look-Wirsat Muhammad Uzair Khan also spoke on the occasion.